Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Friday, January the 15th, 2016. March corn finished up 5 1/4 cents today, settling at $3.63 1/4. We finished above that 361 level that I've been talking about for several days and hoping to break in order to give us an indication that corn wants to make a run toward our target of 371. Another good indicator of some strength in corn usually is when on a day like today when crude was so bearish and traded off nearly $2 a barrel at one point to close below $30 a barrel, and corn was able to still gain some movement to the top side. March 16 beans were off 4 1/4 cents today, selling at $8.79. Soybeans started the day weak after the bad news that continues to get pumped out of China regarding their economy, and their markets continue to get pummeled over there. We did have some good news, or what I perceived as good news, coming from our NOPA crush numbers that were right in line with the trade's expectations of 157.80. The number came in at 157.711 million bushels crushed, but that is still behind the USDA's projections for the whole year slightly. So we do have a little bit of catching up to do there when it comes to our crush numbers. March wheat was up, July wheat was up 4 1/4 cents today, selling at 473 3/4. We gained today on what I felt like was due to the weak dollar that was traded nearly 200 ticks off at around the time of this taping, and another piece of bad news for domestic wheat is there was a report that 2 Argentine cargoes were unloading in Wilmington, North Carolina today, and that U.S. buyer obviously found it cheaper to import wheat as opposed to buying some of the domestic stocks that are pretty plentiful. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Friday. Remember, there will not be a trade on Monday due to the federal holiday. The markets will reopen on Monday night, so we will probably talk to you on Tuesday afternoon.